In this video, you'll learn how to download Udemy videos for offline viewing. By following these steps, you will be able to access your lectures without needing an internet connection. Start by ensuring that you have the Udemy mobile app installed on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't done this yet, go to your device's app store, search for Udemy and download the app. After installation, open the app and log into your Udemy account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will see your course dashboard. Next, find the course that contains the lecture you want to download. Tap on the course to open it. This will take you to a list of all the available lectures within that course. Scroll through the list until you locate the specific lecture you wish to download. After identifying the lecture, look for the download icon next to the lecture title. The icon typically resembles a downward arrow. This icon indicates that the lecture is available for download. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid excessive data usage, particularly if your lecture files are large. Once you have located the download icon, tap it. The app will begin downloading the lecture to your device. You may see a progress indicator showing the download status. Wait for the download to complete. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the video file. After the lecture has been successfully downloaded, it will be accessible for offline viewing within the Udemy app. You can find it in the course section under downloaded lectures. This feature allows you to watch your lectures anytime, even without an internet connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.